Ano lang yung sabi mo sa revival ng tour?
Yes, as the slogan says, it's the great revival. So, even before ngayong press con, itong official launch and press conference, ang dami ng ang dami ng inquiries, maingay na sa social media, ang hirap pigilan, yung actually marami. So, tumigil na akong pumigil. So, ako, I am as excited as everybody else in the cycling community. And let's look forward to a successful and, of course, very safe race.
Ano lang, brief rundown lang ng stages.
Yes, okay, the stages, 8 stages all in all, a total of about 1,050 or to 1,100 kilometers. First stage, Lawag City, the birthplace, of course, the home province of our president, PBBM. Lawag City, about 170 kilometers, turn around sa Pagudpud. And then the next day, stage 2 on April 25 is a team time trial, 80 kilometers from Lawag to Vigan. Stage 3, Vigan to Agoo, about 150 kilometers. And then stage 4, Agoo to Clark, about 170 kilometers. And then stage 5, Clark via Sacobia Bridge, yung iconic bridge doon, turn around sa New Clark City, the iconic New Clark City. And then stage 6, Clark, Lingayen. So we'll go to Lingayen Gulf, overlooking. And then stage 7 is Lingayen. That's an individual time trial. It's a rest day, virtual rest day for everybody sa race. Kasi nga, on stage 8, which is May 1, that's a 178 full grind to Baguio City at Scout Hill finish inside Camp John Hay.
How would you describe the route and saan magiging critical?
Yes, yes, from stage 1 to stage 7, it will be a feast for the sprinters. And then come stage 8, that's the queen stage. That's where you separate the men from the boys, the pretenders from the eagle of the mountain. So yun ang very critical, yung stage 8. The revival was designed up to the very end. You cannot say who will be the champion.
A price?
The prizes, the team champion will get 1 million pesos. And then the individual champion will get 500,000 pesos. And then we have different cash prizes too for the Eagle of the Mountain. That's 100,000 whoever wins the stage 8. And then we have the Sprint King, best young rider, and the most combative rider.
Okay.